Alright guys, welcome to the Python basic exercises, and here is a question number 3. Write a program to count the number of letters in a given string without using length function. So we can directly achieve using length function to get the number of letters that present in the given string. Let's say here is a sample given. So if you wanted to find out the length of this given string, you can simply say that the print of the length len of, you can pass the variable over here. It will simply give you the length of the given string. That means it has 363 letters in the given string. So it is counting from, even a space is also a matter, space p y t h o n space I s, like that. It is trying to find the complete letters in a given string. But the condition is here, we should not use the length function. So how should we write the code to put the same number, to get the same number? So let's say I'm taking that count is equals to 0 as a variable initially. For each sample, right? So the each is going to take every single letter from sample. So the very first time it is going to take a space, then the next time it is going to take P, next time it's going to take Y, but I'm not interested to print it on the console. But what I'm going to do is we need to get a count, including the spaces also. So simply, every time it is looping and taking a letter from sample string, that we need to increase the count, simple this way. Right, so let me see what is the count that we have it over here, and I'm running my program. See, we have the same count. And thank you, and see you again in the next question.